Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by signing into Google Maps and turning on location access so the app knows where you are. Once signed in, add home and work addresses and star any frequent spots to save time later. This lets you create routes with one tap. Also download offline maps for the region you'll use if cellular reception drops, because offline tiles and search reduce delays. These steps get you ready to navigate efficiently and prevent interruptions while you're en route. You now plan the exact route. Enter your destination and confirm the correct starting point. Switching transport mode changes lanes, transit schedules, or walking paths. Once done, tap options to avoid tolls or highways if that matters, because those choices change travel time and cost. Add multiple stops by pressing Add Stop, then drag to reorder so the sequence follows traffic patterns. This reduces backtracking. Make sure to preview alternate routes, and you start navigation and follow the voice prompts while watching ETA and the upcoming turn list. This keeps you focused and reduces last-second lane changes. Make use of lane guidance and turn-by-turn instructions at complex junctions to avoid wrong exits, and switch to satellite or terrain view when visibility matters. If the app lags or shows wrong location, first toggle GPS, then force close and reopen maps, and reload the offline region if needed. This quick troubleshooting usually restores accurate routing without losing your plan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.